Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jeff Bullock, founder of Prism AI Consultants. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you how I leverage various AI tools to streamline and enhance my business operations. As we all know, artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach our daily tasks, making processes more efficient and creative. In this video, I'll be walking you through some of the incredible AI tools that I use for my business. We'll start with idea generation and brainstorming, where I'll introduce you to ChatGPT and Claude AI, powerful tools that help me generate fresh ideas and refine existing ones. Then we'll move on to image generation and design using DALL, Ideogram, and Canva, which allow me to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Next, we'll dive into video generation with HeyGen and NVIDIA AI, two platforms that make creating professional videos a breeze. I'll also show you how I generate custom music for my projects using Udio and how I replicate voices with 11 Labs for seamless voiceovers. Finally, I'll demonstrate how Otter AI helps me transcribe meetings in real time, ensuring I never miss a detail. So, whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone interested in the power of AI, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore these tools in detail and see how they can transform your business too. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with one of the most crucial aspects of any business, idea generation and brainstorming. For this, I rely heavily on AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI. These AI-powered tools are game changers when it comes to generating content ideas, drafting emails, and creating outlines for projects. Let's say I'm working on a new blog post about the latest trends in AI. I can simply input a prompt, and these tools provide me with a detailed outline and key points to cover. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. They are incredibly versatile. Whether I'm stuck on a specific topic or need to brainstorm a series of marketing ideas, these AI tools offer fresh perspectives and a wealth of information that I can build upon. For example, when I'm working on a business proposal, these tools help me organize my thoughts and ensure I cover all necessary aspects comprehensively. By offering alternative solutions and improvements, they ensure my proposals are robust and well-rounded. Using AI for idea generation and brainstorming keeps the creative juices flowing and ensures I never run out of innovative ideas. These tools not only save me time, but also enhance the quality of my work significantly. Let's move on to image generation and design. I use three powerful AI tools, DALL, Ideogram, and Canva. First, let's talk about DALL. This tool, developed by OpenAI, is amazing for creating unique images based on textual descriptions. For example, if I need an eye-catching image for a social media campaign, I can simply describe what I want, and DALL generates it for me. It's perfect for creating custom visuals that stand out and grab attention. Ideogram is another fantastic AI image generator. Ideogram excels at producing high-quality images from text prompts, much like DALL. It's particularly useful when I need diverse styles or specific types of imagery for different projects. Whether it's for a blog post, a presentation, or marketing materials, Ideogram provides a wide array of visually stunning options. Finally, there's Canva. Canva is my go-to tool for customizing designs and creating professional-looking graphics. It offers a wide range of templates and design elements that make it easy to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Whether I'm designing a logo, a YouTube video thumbnail, or a presentation slide, Canva provides the tools and flexibility I need. Using these AI tools for image generation and design not only enhances the visual appeal of my projects, but also saves a tremendous amount of time. They allow me to produce high-quality professional designs effortlessly, ensuring my business materials always look their best. Now let's seamlessly transition into the exciting world of video generation. For this, I use two incredible AI tools, HeyGen and NVIDIA AI. HeyGen makes creating engaging video content a breeze. Whether I need to produce a quick promotional video or an in-depth tutorial, HeyGen provides the features and templates that simplify the entire process. For example, I can select a template, input my content, and HeyGen automatically generates a professional quality video. It's perfect for creating dynamic videos that capture my audience's attention. NVIDIA AI, on the other hand, offers advanced editing features and a wide range of templates that cater to different types of video content. From marketing videos to educational content, NVIDIA AI has it all. One of my favorite features is its ability to transform scripts into videos effortlessly. I simply upload my script, choose the style and format, and NVIDIA AI does the rest. This tool is incredibly useful for producing polished, high-quality videos without needing extensive editing skills. Using these AI tools for video generation has revolutionized how I create video content. They save me time and resources while ensuring that my videos are professional, engaging, and effective. What about music generation and voice replication? Of course, I understand that these are useful for businesses as well. For these tasks, I use Udio and 11 Labs. First, let's talk about music generation with Udio. Udio is an incredible AI tool that allows me to create custom background music for my videos and presentations. Whether I need an upbeat track for a promotional video or a calm ambient piece for a presentation, Udio generates high-quality music tailored to my specific needs. All I have to do is select the mood, style, and length of the track, and Udio produces a professional-sounding piece in minutes. This not only enhances the overall production value of my content, but also ensures that the music perfectly matches the tone and message I want to convey. Next, we have voice replication with 11 Labs. This tool is a game changer for creating realistic voiceovers. With 11 Labs, I can generate natural-sounding voiceovers for my videos without needing to record my voice each time. This is particularly useful for creating consistent and professional narration across multiple videos. For instance, I can upload a script, select a voice profile, and 11 Labs generates a high-quality voiceover that sounds just like a real person. This saves me a tremendous amount of time and ensures that my videos have clear, engaging audio. Using Udio and 11 Labs together, I can create videos with custom music and professional voiceovers seamlessly. These tools enhance the auditory experience of my content, making it more engaging and enjoyable for my audience. Finally, let's move on to another essential tool that keeps my business running smoothly, Otter AI for meeting transcripts. Otter AI is an incredibly powerful tool that transcribes meetings in real time. This means that during any business meeting, conference call, or brainstorming session, Otter AI captures everything that's said and converts it into text instantly. Let me show you how it works. During a meeting, I simply start the Otter AI app and it begins transcribing our conversation in real time. This allows me to focus on the discussion without worrying about taking detailed notes. The real-time transcription is displayed on the screen, making it easy to follow along and refer back to important points as they come up. One of the standout features of Otter AI is its ability to identify and differentiate between speakers. This is incredibly useful for reviewing transcripts later, as I can see exactly who said what and when. The transcripts are searchable, so if I need to find a specific part of the conversation, I can quickly locate it using keywords. After the meeting, Otter AI generates a detailed transcript that I can edit, share, and store for future reference. This is invaluable for creating accurate meeting minutes, ensuring that all action items are captured, and making sure everyone is on the same page. It also helps in maintaining a clear record of decisions and discussions, which is crucial for accountability and follow-up. Using Otter AI for meeting transcripts has transformed how I manage and document meetings. It saves time, increases accuracy, and enhances productivity by allowing me to focus on the conversation rather than note-taking. We've covered a lot of ground today exploring the various AI tools that I use to enhance and streamline my business operations. From generating innovative ideas with ChatGPT and Claude AI, creating stunning visuals with DALL, Ideogram, and Canva, producing engaging videos with HeyGen and NVIDIA AI, to crafting custom music with Udio and replicating voices with 11 Labs, and finally transcribing meetings with Otter AI, each of these tools plays a crucial role in making my work more efficient and impactful. These AI tools not only save me time, but also elevate the quality of my content and communications. They allow me to focus more on strategic thinking and creativity, rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. The integration of AI into my business has been a game changer, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how you can leverage AI to transform your own business operations. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to join Prism's community of AI enthusiasts on Skool.com. It's a vibrant community where we share tips, insights, and the latest trends in AI technology. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn more or a seasoned pro wanting to stay updated, our community is the perfect place to connect, learn, and grow. The link to the community is at the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and insights on using AI to help you with your personal and professional goals. Until next time, this is Dr. Jeff Bullock from Prism AI Consultants, signing off.